welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do an apartment tour because sadly I'm going to be moving out of this apartment in the next couple days, and I wanted just a video that shows it in all of its glory before things start getting taken down and everything. But this apartment is just so important to me. This was my first apartment and it's my college apartment. I've lived here for 2 years. So that being said, this apartment is very lived in. So this is more of a sentimental video because I've loved it and I needed a video of it to keep it in my mind forever. That being said, let's go ahead and get into it.
Okay, so when you first walk into the apartment, this is what you get.
Here's the door. Right at the door, we have this little key thing. Then here's our washer and dryer setup. I really loved having the washer and dryer in the unit. And then over here, we have just detergent. I had Tide Pods in here. I think this is so cute. It's from Target. Just a bunch of laundry things. And of course, like I said, this apartment's very lived in. These are like Valentine's Day decor that just have stayed in here, but I think it's cute. And then behind this curtain, we have my utility wagon that I use for shopping, and then just another thing of cat litter. So that's just the little entry hall. And then we have the kitchen, which I just love. Of course, we have Elle's cat play area, which she's so nicely demonstrating. Thank you, Elle. We have just little bar stools instead of a dining room table. We have Lazy Susan here with my bejeweled candle and just different things. These are salt and pepper shakers that don't have salt or pepper, and never did actually. And the kitchen was looking a little plain when we moved in, so this is the Teza kit that my other roommate actually provided, so thank you, Megan. I think this adds so much to the kitchen. And letterboard that says happy summer, grocery produce bags, the microwave, the stove, we have my air fryer. This is my #1 method of cooking, and it's from H-E-B actually, so love this. I love these little mugs. They were also for Valentine's Day because I'm just obsessed with Valentine's Day, but I just thought they were cute, so they stayed out. And this is just plates, cups, utensils, you know. And we have these little vines. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the kitchen. And then from the kitchen, we have living area. I think it's so cute. I love the windows, by the way. That's probably my favorite part of this apartment. A couch and then a chair, and as you can see, this is where I first got Elle, so she totally yeah, thank you. No, in our next apartment we're gonna do better, and we're not gonna do that. I've moved past it. That's my roommate's room. Then our couch is super cute. We have just a bunch of pillows, and then next to the couch we have this mirror, and I'm just obsessed with it. It has the best lighting. I have taken so many pictures here. It's gonna be hard to say goodbye to it, but it's fine. We have these little plants, this little plant, this heart thing that is also from Valentine's Day. And I also just really love the view. It's a good view of the sky, and that's all you need. And you can actually see NRG over there. Roof's open for, I have no idea why. Okay, and then this door is my room, which I am obsessed with. Here we have just this clear shelf from IKEA actually. Found this astronaut snow globe. I don't know, I'm obsessed with it. This clock that is little plants, and of course my prized possession, our signed folklore. And then we have my desk over here, just a bunch of different pens and stuff. These little peanut butter and jelly, also from Valentine's Day, but girl, like I said, we have the framed Vogue Harry Styles because it's just iconic. Some more candles, and that'll from my 21st birthday from Morgan. Then we have the windows. I have a bunch of notebooks. This has just random things, but it's so convenient. I love this. I think it was from Michael's. My favorite part, my bed. I have the cutest pillows. This is Forever 21. This was a gift, and this was from a random boutique. I think it's called Emerson Rose in Houston. Just love my bed. It's so comfy. Sunsets are so pretty in here, and the sunrises. So the sun rises over here and then the sun sets over here, so I get like the perfect view of both, which I have just absolutely loved. I'm getting emotional right now, but we're gonna continue on. And then I have these little prints that I got from, I think, Etsy. They're so cute. I think they really pull the room together. And over here we have just this shelf that has a jewelry organizer on top and like little pictures, some of my perfumes, rings. We have my skincare fridge, which just has like my gua sha stuff. And then this has like random stickers and more earrings. I want to find like a better earring organizer, but it hasn't come to me yet. This has all my different camera stuff because just random stuff like Polaroids, more random stuff. And then this Taylor Swift book that is a child's book, but my mom bought it for me, of course. That's from, I think I just got that off Pinterest. I have this thing, which I'm also obsessed with, also from Amazon. It has just like all my necklaces. And then over here, I hang out my tote bags, and pretty much it for my room. It's just so girly and so cute. And then we make our way into my bathroom. I just have these little prints. This lightning bolt is from Five Below. This is just my sink, my hairbrush. I normally shower with the galaxy light on. Oh my gosh, it's the best vibes ever. My hand towel, and then I actually put this shelf in that has like the products I use every single day. Storage, under sink storage. My little bath cart that has a bunch of random stuff. And this is from Urban Outfitters, so cute. My shower. I think the LEDs just really bring good vibes in here, and I'm just obsessed with it. I think I also got this from Pinterest. I think my shower, it's like a glittery, like floor mat, shower organizer thing. And then in here we have my closet, which has way too many clothes. I'm in the process of organizing it and cleaning it out because I do not need to bring all this to my new apartment. That just has like things from different events I've been to, Halloween costumes. So that's pretty much it for my apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so sad because I'm literally about to start taking things down. I just wish I could live here forever, but that's not how life works, I guess. That's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.